So the approaches to learning are divided into sets of skills. First set is thinking skills, and that includes critical thinking skills, such as analysis, evaluation, and forming decisions. Creative thinking, generating novel ideas, considering new perspectives. Transfer skills, thinking, application in multiple contexts. Reflection and metacognition, thinking about your thinking. And then there are research skills, information literacy skills, media literacy, and ethical use. So, formulating and planning, gathering and recording, synthesizing and interpreting, evaluating and communicating. For media, consuming and processing, considering online perspectives, and creating. Ethical use and reliability of sources. Communication skills, listening, interpreting, speaking, reading, writing, and then information communication technology, media representation, and informed choices. Social skills include intrapersonal skills, so control of yourself, self-control, and your emotional intelligence. Interpersonal, with other people, respecting others, supporting others, social intelligence, and resolving conflict. Self-management skills include managing yourself, managing your time, setting goals, mindfulness, and then states of mind include perseverance, emotional management, self-motivation, and resilience. So now, in more detail, here are thinking skills in more detail. So what you can do is you can pause and read more for each different one. For any that you think, oh, that might be me, or you want to read a little bit more to understand it better. Okay, I'm not going to read them all, but they're all here. Then research skills, they're here. And it just gives you a definition of what all the different skills are. Again, communication skills. If there are any you're not sure about, you can read the details. Social skills. And self-management skills.